What's up, y'all? Welcome back. Today is currently June 14th. We've got a little bit of a trip planned for this weekend. We're doing something a lot different. One of my buddies and I, we're making a little bit of a trip. We're going down to Charleston and we're going to target some redfish. We're meeting up with my good friend Ryan Griffin. He's taken us out before. It's been a lot of fun. We've been put on fish, had chances, hooked into fish, just have not quite sealed the deal and brought a fish in, unfortunately. But red fishing is one of the coolest things that I've done in fly fishing, and I'm really excited. So I'm gonna go pick up my buddy, and then we're gonna make a little bit of a trip and see if we can't beat the skunk this time. We just made a quick stop. We're about 30 minutes out, and for those of you guys who don't know, I actually grew up in Minnesota, where Culver's is the shit, and so it's very rare that we see these here in North Carolina and South Carolina. But when we saw the sign, we had to stop. But yeah, we're getting close, and hit a little bit of traffic on the way, unfortunately. But nonetheless, we should be there in time for the tide. Dude, this is about to be so good. This brings me back to like my childhood.
So we're waiting for the water to come up?
Yeah, so it'll be high tide about 7:30.
Okay.
So it's going to get up probably another 6 to 10 inches.
All right.
The fiddler crabs are on the flats like this in the grass.
Okay.
And there's also shrimp and bait, just like anywhere else. You know, stuff's alive,
Right.
as opposed to dead or in hibernation or whatever. And around these lunar cycles, around a full moon like we're having this weekend, you know, the moon dictates the tide.
Mm-hmm.
And so our tide will go from 5 feet to 6 feet. So typically this is all bone dry. You know, at low tide, I probably couldn't even get back here in this creek. And on these moon cycles, when it gets to be a 6 foot tide, that extra 12 inches of water floods into this marsh grass. And the redfish come out from bigger water, creeks, whatever, and they literally slither like snakes to come in here and eat crabs and shrimp and whatever. So it's all sight fishing, and so we're trying to put the boat in position so that you can make a cast, you know, 2 feet in front of the fish. I would equate permit a little bit more to trout in the sense that it's very sensitive to the food source. You know, like trout, you're really mimicking entomology stage of the bug and all that.
Right.
You know, and that's not the case at redfish. I mean, sometimes I'm throwing like a chartreuse and pink, ugly, you know, feathery thing.
Right.
They eat it. Trip it again. Trip it. You got it. You got it. Oh, there's. Nice. Let him go. Let him go. Let him go. He's not moving. Nice, dude.
Oh my god, dude, I just saw him there and like...
See him. You wasn't even
He
tailing.
wasn't even tailing. Oh my god.
Good
Let him
eye.
run. Dude.
Good
Oh
eye.
my gosh.
Perfect shot, by the way.
That was
Perfect
crazy.
shot. I wouldn't let him get off the flat, but don't muscle him either. Go ahead. I'm gonna come to him soon.
Yeah.
Don't let him get slack. Reel, 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 reel. Yeah, I did not see him.
No, dude, I was like, holy shit, that's him.
He was dark. Did you see how dark he was?
Yeah.
He was like purple. Great, now we got an audience.
They say bad fish?
Don't let him get out there. Don't reel anymore because you're gonna be out of line.
Yeah. There it is.
Shot, dude.
Dude, that was so sick.
Trying to get up.
Bro. Oh my god, that's badass, dude. Dude, that's so sick. I still can't believe how he saw him.
Point him to me. There you go. Hold on. All right, let's get in the water.
Dude, look at that blue right there in his tail. Woo! Oh my god, dude.
First one.
Let's go.
God damn it. Is it down in that hole? Blessed, man. Whew.
Just about lost it.
Luck of the silver bullet, man.
Here he is. It's crazy. Going to the right. See him in the middle of that pocket? See that wake?
Yeah.
Red?
Yeah. See, he wasn't happy. There he is, yeah. He's gonna go right to the right of that grass. He's going across the grass now. He's to the right. You gotta get 10 more feet to the right. 10 more feet to the right. Good line, but 5 more feet. You lined him. That was a distance, but you're behind him. It's okay. Yeah, you need to be more serious with your back, more direct with your back cast.
He didn't tail, did he?
No, I mean, I can count on one hand the number of fish I've caught that are cruising like that, away, that never tailed, that you get a cast in front of and they eat. But it's always worth a try. I don't know what it is, but there's sometimes out here, I mean, it's always a beautiful sunset, but sometimes it's like just breathtaking, bizarre, like purple skies. And sorry it was so slow. I'm not sorry we got a fish.
We got the first one.
This is not how I would have ever thought this would happen, that we would not see anything, number one. I mean, I didn't expect it to be great. After last night, I was a little worried it would be slow, but I didn't think it would be this slow.
Yeah.
And I definitely didn't think that you were going to just spot some random fish and stick it like that easy.
Thank you. Thank you for bringing us home.
Yeah, man. Do it again tomorrow.
Yeah.
I was wondering if we we're going to make it back, to be honest. Yeah, we are empty. God, we're like literally like...
Dang, you just brought more beer.
Gotta make the trip interesting somehow, right?
Our first trip to Mexico, we were coming back. One of the boats ran out of gas a couple miles from the landing. And there's a great video. I got a video of it. Like one of my first videos I ever made. It was the first video I did in Mexico, which is like it's like GoPros and the editing was pretty good for what it was.
You gotta start somewhere.
Yeah. Boat comes up and he's like, oh, you out of gas? He's like, just give us beer. He's like, oh, it's gonna cost you. You need some gas? He's like, no, fuck it, just give us the beer.
Did you just put it into a full tank?
Yeah, and it's old gas. So it's gonna run weird.
Day one in the books. Pretty awesome day. I just caught my first red in the fly. It was super sick. I've gone like 3 times before and have not had luck. And so this time finally hooked into one. And the craziest thing was, first of all, today we didn't see any tailors, which is very, very rare. Super crazy because the night before Ryan had actually seen 10 tailors with his buddy when he went out, literally last night. And what happened was we're just cruising along this flat and sure enough, I just look over to my left and probably 10 feet away from me is just, I just see a red back and he's just kind of cruising like slowly. I was in shock that there was a redfish right there. I just started casting and then Ryan saw it and Cook got, saw that there was obviously a fish, hit the record button just in time and got the hook set, which is pretty sick. But we're gonna go back to our buddies, our buddy Gordo, who lives here in Charleston. Shout out to Gordo, boy, letting us stay overnight. And then we're gonna go back out tomorrow. Gordo's he's gonna show us around Charleston in the morning, and then we're gonna go back out and fish a different area down here for tomorrow night's flood tide. Just got a little bit of a tour at Charleston, kind of walked around and got to see downtown and everything. Our buddy Gordo showed us around. We're headed here to Isle of Palms right now. It's about 2 o'clock and we're meeting Ryan at the boat launch at around 4:30ish. So we're gonna get a bite to eat and go out for night 2. Like I said last night, we didn't see any tailors, unfortunately. And Cook's never been red fishing before, so we're like trying to tell him what to look for, and he just has no idea what to look for. And for those of you guys who've done it, first time you go, everything that splashes or moves out there, you think it's a redfish. But hopefully tonight will be the night. We'll see some tails and get some shots at them.
Unlike this flat, well, this kind of has it. You want big water nearby, meaning these 2 big channels, and creeks coming off the big water, and at the end of those creeks it pours out into short grass, and ideally you'd have like an island. So those fish, you know, have a deep water source close by, and you know, they can easily escape into this thick stuff. Flat's alive with shit going on, at least. All right, there's a tail right in front of you. 11 o'clock. Right where that splash is? Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Did you see it? See him tailing?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
He's on his stomach. He's sliding to the right. Point your rod. Left. Right there. Or right. Shoot it now. Shoot it now. Great shot. Strip in a little bit. Put the rod tip down. Stop. Cast again. 3 more feet to the right. Great shot. Leave it there. Straighten your line out. Hold on. Oh, he turned the other way. Damn it. Great cast. Wait. He was coming at it. All right, strip in. He's gonna eat. Strip. You got him? No. All right, pick up. Good shot. Leave it there. Strip it once. He's not seeing it. It's all right. God, there's a fish all over us. Drop it now. You're behind him.
Damn right.
That might work. Hold on. Strip in. I'm coming at you. Strip in. All right. One more shot.
Jesus.
Hold on. You see him still? Don't cast yet. Put it right on his head this time. Good. So keep the line down. Don't mend.
Is he gone?
Let's try it, man.
No, you did good. So listen, you had a couple really good shots in there. A couple things, technique-wise. You gotta. First of all, when you were trying to recast, you had all the line out, and you can't pick all that line up. Okay. So you don't need to strip it all the way into the rod, but you need to strip it like, I don't know, 6 to 10 feet in. For a couple reasons. Number one, if you're 3 feet behind him and you just try to pick up, you could spook him.
Right.
But also, it's just hard to pick up that much line.
Yeah.
So just strip in a little bit, and then it's easier to shoot it again. So at least you know what it looks like now, right?
Yeah.
Pretty crazy, isn't it? Dude, I was back here looking at this and I was freaking out. My heart started pounding.
Your heart.
We had some chances at that one. That's good. You really did had a couple really great shots. In fact, like, I think your second cast was perfect. He couldn't see your fly. If he'd have been going straight, you would have had an eat. I thought he was going to eat it.
I thought he was going to eat it at one point.
I thought you were going to get an eat.
I bet your heart was pounding. Back in, have a heart attack.
It's not easy when, like, you're trying to watch the fish, trying to manage your line, someone's yelling at you.
Yeah.
pointing your rod at it.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, he's just on the other side of it.
Okay.
Drop it down, just drop it down. Plop it right there. Strip it in. Oh! I think that might be a second fish though. To your left, coming across the bow. See him? Pointing the rod at him right now. There's another one to your left. 2 fish. I'm about to be so skinny, you're gonna have to step off. You ready to cast? Go ahead. Right in the middle of both of them. They're about to hit each other and spook. He's on. Do it again. Are you tight? No. God, he's coming at you. Oh, damn it. Saw the boat. Good shot. Strip. Right here. You got him? Oh, God, he's gone. 2 little redfish in there with those mullet.